Jamaican farm worker in hospital after being stabbed by one of his work colleagues. Hi again and welcome. This is xxxxx TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to xxxx TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. xxxx TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is xxxx TV News Report. A Jamaican farm worker has been hospitalized after being stabbed and seriously injured by another farm worker in Canada on Friday. The identity of the injured man has not been disclosed. His attacker, whose nationality has not yet been confirmed so far, has been arrested by the police in Canada. It is unclear what led to the stabbing incident, but videos relative to the incident has gone viral on social media, showing other Jamaicans on the farm declaring their intent to inflict wounds on their colleague's attacker. Several of the farm workers then proceeded behind the cops and the arrested attacker. One of the farm workers, who was armed with a stone, was instructed by one of the officers to put it down.
Kill him, man. Kill him. Yo, it's a boss, boy. It's a massive up here. It's a boss up here. I'm only police. Only police. Put it down. Fuck it. Boy, just kill him, man, dog. No, lick him, no lick him.
Despite the chaos and confusion, the officers were successful in safely taking away the suspect from the farm in their vehicle.
So you would pick good with it today? You would pick good with it today, you know? You pick good with it today, you know, man? You pick good with it today, you know, man? Man, dead, yo. Pick good with it today. Because you pick good with it today. Bob. Go and drive it. Drive it. You see ambulance on the road at top. You see ambulance on the road at top. You see ambulance on the road at top. Put on your four-wheeler. Put on your four-wheeler.
It is understood that the Ministry of Labour and Social Security in Jamaica has been informed of the incident. Further ministry officials based in Canada are to meet with the affected farm workers in due course. This has been xxxx TV News Report. Thanks for watching.